అందరికీ శుభోదయం. వెల్కమ్ టు లీగల్ మ్యాటర్స్ బై సాయి బాబు సుంకర. Good morning to all of you. Actually, this decision given by Madurai bench of Madras High Court, it created actually an irony to the state. But anyway, judicial decision takes the precedent and you cannot comment on the decision. దీంట్లో 2 days back, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Pawan Kalyan garu, actually, presently, you can call him as the champion of Sanatana Dharma. He said, హిందువులు వాళ్ళ యొక్క హక్కు అయినటువంటి లైటింగ్ ద ల్యాంప్ ఎట్ ఎ పర్టికులర్ ప్లేస్, దానికి కూడా కోర్టుకు వెళ్ళాల్సిన పరిస్థితి వచ్చింది అని చెప్పన్నారు. ఏమిటని చూస్తే ఇట్ హ్యాపెండ్ ఇన్ తమిళనాడు. ల్యాంప్ లైటింగ్ ఆర్ లైటింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ల్యాంప్ కార్తిగై దీప, ఇట్ కెన్ బి డన్ ఎట్ Deepathoon near Thirupparankundram hills. Thirupparankundram hills. Justice G.R. Swaminathan of Madurai bench. In the case of Rama Ravi Kumar versus District Collector Madurai, writ petition number 32317, lot of petitions are there, one of them by 2025. Actually, it is 2021 writ matter. Decide on 1/12/2025, and later some developments have taken place, which I am going to tell you. Briefly, the dispute is as follows. There is a hill called as Thirupparankundram hill in maybe some Tirunelveli district or something. Here, actually, there are 2 peaks to the temple. The highest peak is occupied by dargah. Lowest peak is the temple. Right? So, there is a pillar stone, this Deepa stone they call as Deepathoon, where people used to light the Kartika lamp. Right? It is their sentiment. It is their emotion or religious faith. So, this Deepathoon is an ancient pillar on the so-called hills. And actually, there were disputes regarding the hillock, particularly Thirupparankundram. But remember, there is a dargah, that is Sikandar Badshah Dargah, in the top peak. And in the lower portion, this temple and its lands are located. The disputes go back to 1920. The main point is, the bone of contention is, where should the lighting of the lamp be done? There is a small temple called as Ulchiyar temple, and the government says you can light the lamp near the Ulchiyar temple because it may create trouble between 2 religions if Deepathoon Stambham is allowed to be lighting the lamp. The Muslim people, they raised objection. But High Court, after going through, here the point is whether this Deepathoon or a pillar stone belongs to Subramanya Swami or the so-called dargah. It is clearly established that it belongs to Arimelugu Subramanya Swami, Arilmigu Subramanya Swami temple. So, definitely lighting of the lamp can be done. It will not indulge or it will not infringe the rights of nearby dargah, because dargah is a bit high. And the court also said it will not affect the rights of the Muslim community, because previously also the record shows that the temple land belongs to Subramanya Swami. Right, Murugan? Right. The highest is occupied by the dargah, lower peak by the so-called Deepathoon. Actually, the distance is also there. It is 50 meters away from dargah. It is a part of unoccupied land of the temple. And the president, that is 1923 decision, says unoccupied part of the hill belongs to the temple. So, state said, no, my lord, it creates communal tension. There is objection. But judge said, no, the lighting would not offend the sentiments or disturb the communal harmony. Symbolic lighting will not object anyone's sensibilities. అయ్యప్ప స్వామి టెంపుల్ దగ్గర ఇలాగే లైటింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది ల్యాంప్ విల్ బి డన్. అందరికీ తెలుసు అది ఎవరు చేస్తారండి, బట్ స్టిల్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ సింబాలిక్ ఆర్ ఇస్ ఎమోషనల్ థింగ్, రిలీజియస్ థింగ్ కాబట్టి ఎవరు డిస్కస్ చేయరు. సరే, కోర్ట్ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ ఆర్డర్స్ ఆన్ 1/12/2025. నాకు చెప్పాను, తర్వాత కూడా చెప్పాను. On 3/12/2025, the temple authorities, they have lighted the lamp near Ulchiyar temple, but not on the so-called Deepastambham. Right? And the people, Rama, Ravi, Kumar, and others who are devotees of Muruga, Lord Subramanian Swami, they raised objection. They wanted to go and light the lamp, but the collector of Madurai has issued prohibitory orders under section 144 CRPC. Against to this, they went to the court, and court has immediately set aside the 144 orders, and immediately the government went in appeal to the division bench, that is the letters patent appeal to the division bench. On 4/12/2025, they did not agree. No, it is nothing but circumventing the law. You want to avoid the contempt, so you have to come for appeal. Now they have filed an SLP before the Supreme Court. But so far, of course, the BJP workers and others, they wanted to go and so-called light the lamp, but they objected by the government. So this is the situation. Actually, Ravi Kumar and they filed this writ for certiorized mandamus. Certiorari, lower court did not give the correct this thing. So, please remember, the customary practice sometimes will get into trouble like this. Government says customary practice of lighting the lamp at Ulchiyar temple, but these people, Rama, Ravi Kumar, they say that the pillar stone is there. Right from the beginning, right from 1923 onwards, we are lighting the lamp there. So anyway, SLP is filed in the Supreme Court. Let us see what will happen there. But anyway, ఇంత జరుగుతూ ఉంది. అందుకని గవర్నమెంట్ని వ్యతిరేకంగా చాలా కష్టం చేయటం, ప్రభుత్వానికి వ్యతిరేకంగా చాలా కష్టం చేయటం. మరి జిఆర్ స్వామినాథన్ గారు ఏం చేస్తారో చూద్దాం. ఎందుకంటే హైకోర్టు డివిజన్ బెంచ్ కూడా గట్టిగా చెప్పింది, గవర్నమెంట్ ఇన్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ గవర్నమెంట్ యూ కెనాట్ సర్కంవెంట్ ద లా. మీరు చేయకపోతే డెఫినెట్లీ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ యాక్షన్ అగెన్స్ట్ యూ అంటారు, కంటెంప్ట్ అన్నారు. అయినా గవర్నమెంట్ రియాక్షన్, అఫ్ కోర్స్ గవర్నమెంట్ వాళ్ళ పాలసీ వాళ్ళది. వాళ్ళు ఎంతసేపు ఏంటంటే యాక్చువల్గా సెక్యులరిజం, పక్కనే దర్గా ఉంది. దర్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ సమ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ టేక్స్ ప్లేస్, గవర్నమెంట్ విల్ బి బ్లేమ్డ్, వాళ్ళ బాధ వాళ్ళది. బట్ ఎనీవే లీగల్, కోర్టుకు వస్తే ఏం చెప్తారు, లీగల్. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, ప్రొసీజర్ ఏమవుతుంది. సో who will be successful, we don't know. But anyway, lighting of the lamp is a religious practice. So whether it will be allowed or not, let us wait and see. Thank you.